creating an explainer video or a technical video for a B2B SaaS product or a platform could be super difficult. Now, even more difficult is creating the script. Generic script editor or script generator don't have the enough context, like how observability works using OpenTelemetry, how Terraform state works, how a cost optimization or how agentic workflow kind of runs. That's why we built AI-enabled, AI-powered video script generator, which is being fed with hundreds of scenarios, like how a deployment works in a Kubernetes cluster, how agent-to-agent workflows works, what is an MCP, what is a Terraform deployment versus Pulumi configuration, and a lot of these pre-enabled context. Now, script editor is used to generate videos for Kubiya, Aviator, Qodo, some of the fastest growing AI companies, and we have taken all the learnings for the last couple of years and fed this into our tool so that you can generate AI powered scripts for your DevTool product. Let's see the tool in the action. Alright, in order to use it, the first thing you want to do is go to the tool and click on script generator over here, and you get a bunch of options over here. You can select a tool comparison, whether you want to compare Windsor versus Cursor or any other AI code generation tool. You've got feature demo, coding walkthrough, and a bunch of other options as well. So I'm going to click on tool comparison. I'm going to select, it's pre-built with already majority of the tools like GitHub Copilot, and I'm going to compare it with probably Gemini, and I'm going to compare it with Replit as well. I'm going to select whether it's for developers or intermediate or AI enthusiast or whatnot. So I'm going to click on beginner developer and select the length of the video. Let's suppose I want to select 2 to 8 minutes, and if I have any reference, I want to type that please create a code or use case heavy comparison for all the mentioned tools. Alright, I'm going to hit on enter, and it's going to start generating the script, and within a couple of minutes you should have your scripts ready. This is already getting a lot of context and a lot of information. Things like it's going to suggest the H1, it's going to be GitHub Copilot versus Gemini versus Ghostwriter. You can download it as well in your favorite format. The first thing which happens is the introduction, then the setup. It's going to tell you to clone a repo, prompts which you need to give it to the tools, and then it's going to tell that it's please test the tool based on a couple of parameters like UI design, speed, and correctness. I'm going to highlight the strength and limitations as well, and I'm going to do the same for Replit, and I'm going to do the same for the other tools as well. I'm going to end the generator script with an outro and call to action as well. You can regenerate if you're not happy, or you can download as well. We also give you pre-built, predefined scripts like a testimonial video script, or a software demo script, or a product hunt video script, so that you don't have to do a lot of hard work. We've already done it based on our years of understanding with the kind of hook you need to have, the B-rolls, the greetings, content type, and the outro and the feedback as well. Hope this is informative. Go ahead and try the video script generator for your DevTool product as well. Thank you.